joy and honor. So we drew from that quote, Ora, light. We're using that as how we represent Simcha. The light here that comes from underneath is the happiness that we're talking about here. And the happiness is about appreciating the intricacy, complexity, and just spectacular, like, how of this universe and this world that God crafted. To be happy, you need to start with yourself. So that's when the light is just in the fishbowl. We have a fish in there. And you could just be the fish that's inside the fishbowl, happy with itself, happy with its immediate surroundings, celebrating happy occasions and maybe looking around once in a while and saying, wow, it's pretty cool that, like, birds can fly. I mean, that's awesome, right? But to really amplify the possibilities of your own simcha, you need to look outside of your little bowl at the whole masterpiece that's around us. How is the universe holding itself together? Where did it come from? What is going to happen next? The